What? Oh, why don't you go first? No, I don't want to go.
Damn. Could be lucky. Maybe not.
Ah! I gotta kill you. I gotta kill you. Calm down. Calm down. Jesus.
I've calmed down. Wait, you're the guy that sells me like slaves. Oh no.
What? No, I'm not.
No. You're the slave guy. No.
You know too much.
Ah!
Dang, bro, you are tanky.
I have 25% damage reduction. I'm a little tanky.
Jesus. Oh my god.
Yeah, so there may or not be a spy.
What a way to go.
What if instead of hot dog, it was called freaky dog?
Shut up!
What? I'm just spitting out ideas. Freedom of speech, man. Get out of here.
I don't like those ideas.
Okay, well, what instead of freaky dog, it was
What if it was? What if instead of?
It was what?
freaky hot? Or hot and freaky. Or, oh shit.
Oh.
You guys got that. What if instead
It's okay,
of
guys.
freaky, it was freaky?
Okay, but what if instead of freaky dog, it was hot
No,
and freaky?
leave me alone.
Hot and freaky.
No.
Oh look, my corpse. From the time you shot me.
I did not shoot you. I would never do that. Shooting people
Damn,
is
there
just
goes
wrong.
one.
Excuse me. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna carry on.
It's time for business time!
Anyway, I need to get a smoke of that
Containment
unit, Rec 15.
We should kick him off the team. He's tiny.
kind of freaky if you ask me, like freaky dog.
Perfect height for that though.
What?
No more freaky dog.
Why not freaky dog? You said
See
you wanted
this?
freaky dog. You said you
My
wanted
grandma
freaky dog.
Lucius,
I am
my
not freaky
grandma.
dog.
Actually,
He
not
said,
my grandma.
look,
the
last
guy's
night,
grandma.
right? We were in bed and
Really?
you guys said, oh, you wanted to be
This is your
freaky dog.
soul.
This
I
guy
never said that.
now he-
Soul
I
in
never
here.
said
You literally
that.
said that last night.
I
when we
never
were in
said
bed.
that.
Come on, bro.
YouTuber.
Come on, bro. Why
Your
you
soul is gone.
Why you so
I
shy?
am not a freaky dog, okay?
So is his soul.
Literally freaky dog.
Hot dog's a YouTuber too. You
I'm not a
both.
freaky dog.
Your souls are gone.
Literally so freaky. Like,
I'm
on
not a
freaky
Hey, hot dog,
dog.
hot dog, hot dog, hot dog. Listen,
What?
are you willing to give me 2 drugs for this micro? I'm a
I am
professional
willing to give you
businessman.
two.
You
Here,
see.
come on here, come over here. Let's go to our own little secret spot.
Let me just grab my pack.
Yeah, come on.
Is
Just
that a dildo?
give up.
I'm a professional
is.
businessman.
Here.
Yes.
So wait, are you talking about like 500s?
Yes.
Oh yeah, I got 2 actually.
Maybe some in real life. Ah, yeah. Alright.
I don't even care if it's charged or not. Yeah,
It is
one
not
was-
even charged. Hey, sir, are you willing to give me a micro for a medkit?
I am actually. Here you go. Anything else?
I'll give you a vest for your gun.
I kind of like my gun. I'm gonna be honest.
Man, that's some racism if I've ever heard it. I'm canceling you.
I didn't do anything.
Do you have any more drugs for me?
I do
I'll
not.
get like I got an idea.
What's your idea?
So we're gonna scam people for drugs. We gotta like a group of 3.
Okay, your point.
Yeah, we gotta scam people for drugs. Make this hot dog. This is professional businessman
That's just
era.
scamming. It's not business.
You're a professional businessman. Yeah, we're businessmen. Oh.
I don't know if that. Yeah, guys.
Go get him, spy. He's not a backstabber.
He is. Look at him. He's a chaos.
So how to be funny?
Is this what you're asking me?
Yeah,
you
I
guys leave me
need
alone?
to not just spend 8 hours a day.
You need to
grinding.
acquire.
Who's
you need to-
messaging me on Steam?
Sometimes they can be like 99 like inside that.
He just dropped dead. Oh. I don't want all that.
Come grab me!
Chaos is here.
Oh shit, it's a hot dog!
Yeah.
Hot dog!
I didn't know you guys spawned in.
There's nothing bad.
Oh, I got the white guy. I got
Shy
the white
guy,
guy.
look behind you! Hot dog, look behind you!
Dog.
There's a guy
Hey,
in there!
oh,
hey,
hey,
cool.
get this guy.
Wait, you
Touch
did
him
it.
inappropriately.
There's
Be
a
Diddy!
man!
Sometimes.
Yeah, guys, I really miss
I
this
miss
guy
him so
too.
much.
I love the way he used to talk to
I
him.
can
Yeah, I know, miss how he
used to
talks.
talk in my ear when we were in
I miss how he would cry slowly in the
He
night.
just whisper sweet.
I love how we really liked being called Freaky Dog.
What?
Yeah.
I need to not hear this B class.
What?
How freaky is Freaky Dog, though? I think he was pretty
There's
freaky.
a C in 914 right now.
He
Consider
was a pretty freaky guy.
He was a pretty freaky guy.
I never the way he would
I'm
slowly
not
touch his
freaky, I
nipples.
promise you.
Computer, can you open 914?
9?
914.
9?
9?
914.
9.
Gang.
9.
9.
Idiot.
Worry about it. Oh, there's so many! No,
Yeah, I know.
there's so many!
What were you expecting?
I was gonna see only half of them come down, not the whole way!
Help!
I might die.
I'm stuck in AB.
I'm dead.
No, Shaggy.
I'm at 200 health. Oh my god, this